Hello. In this video, we're going to be discussing reverse straight line backing. This is your standard straight line back that most everybody is accustomed to. In this video, we're going to discuss the breakdown of the best way to perform a straight line back. So, let's get this right. Alright, so now you're going to be performing a reverse straight line back. The way that I teach my students if you've never done this before, things to watch are the left west coast mirror, which is your long mirror. You don't need to watch the right mirror on this maneuver. As you get better at this, you'll scan to the right mirror about every 5 seconds. Okay, there's nothing you're going to hit other than a cone. So, as long as you have at least 2 feet of space, maybe even a little less, on your left side, then you have the same amount of space on your right side. You have more than 2 to 3 feet of space, most likely on the right side, you're tight. So you need to understand that. What you need to do is watch your left mirror. What you're watching is the far left corner of your trailer. You're watching for it to stick out or to disappear. So, you are going to place your hands at 10 and 2 on the steering wheel.